Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Universal Analyzer. We will start the video by an inspiring quote. If they said it's impossible for them, not for you. We are going to solve the simultaneous equations, that are linear equation in two variables, by different method. Here, for example, simultaneous equations are given in this example, but it is of somewhat different form. That is, we can't solve, or we can solve by the Cramer's rule, that is determinant method, or by the eliminating method and those. But here the denominators they have been given where the variables are in denominator. Therefore, we can solve by somewhat different method. Writing the equation as it is, consider here in both of the equations, observation should be there that common is there 1 by x plus y, that is 10 into 1 by x plus y. 10 into 1 it will be 10 and x plus y, plus 2 into 1 by x minus y is equal to 4. Considering it as the first equation, and 15 into 1 by x plus y minus 5 into 1 by x minus y is equal to minus 2. Considering it as a second equation, here we can see in both the equations that 1 by x plus y is one variable which is multiplied by 10, and in the second equation we can also see that 1 by x plus y is common and 1 by x minus y. Now consider 1 by x plus y as a and 1 by x minus y as b. Why we have to consider in this way? Because to solve the problem, it will be easy to use only one variable for this total variable, that is 1 by x plus y. Therefore, putting this a and b variables in these equations, the first equation will become as 10 into 1 by x plus y is a, plus 2 1 by x minus y is b, 2b is equal to 4, considering it as the third equation, and 15a, sorry, here it will be the minus 5b is equal to minus 2. Here we will get these two simultaneous equations with the variable a and b, and these types of equations we have solved previously. Now by any method, by Cramer's method or by any method, we can solve these two equations. Now consider equation third. 10a plus 2b is equal to 4. Then in terms of a, how we can write this equation as 10a is equal to 4 minus 2b, that is a is equal to 4 minus 2b by 10. A is equal to, here a is equal to, we have got this value. Now put this value in fourth equation. Putting the value of a in equation fourth, 15 into a, the value of a is 4 minus 2b by 10 minus 5b is equal to minus 2. Here 15, 5 3s are 5 2s are, it will become as 3. Multiplying 3 with the whole term, that is 4 3s are 12 minus 2 3s are 6b by 2 minus 5b is equal to minus 2. Then 12 minus 6b minus 2, that is 5 2s are 10b by 2 which is equal to minus 2. 12 minus minus, there we have to add these two terms and the common sign is minus. 6 plus 10, that is 16b by 2 which is equal to minus 2. That is 12 minus 16b is equal to minus 2 into 2. 12 minus 16b which is equal to minus 4. That is minus 16b is equal to minus 4 minus 12 minus 16b is equal to minus 4 plus 12 is 16. Therefore, b is equal to minus 16 by minus 16 which is equal to 1. We have got the value of b, that is b is equal to 1. Now, for finding the value of a, we know the equation that here we know equation a is equal to 4 minus 2b by 10. Here by putting the value of b we can find the value of a, or we can put any value of b in any of these equation, either in 3 or in 4th equation. That is a is equal to 4 minus 2b by 10 which is equal to 4 minus 2 into 1 by 10 which is equal to 4 minus 2 ones are 2 by 10 which is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2 by 10 which is equal to 1 by 5. Now we know already, we have considered a as 1 by x plus y is equal to a and 1 by x minus y is equal to b. Therefore, by putting the value of a and b, we can get another two simultaneous equations such that 1 by x plus y is equal to, the value of a is 1 by 5 and 1 by x minus y is equal to, the value of b is 1. That is, here by cross multiplying, that is 5 is equal to x plus y and 1 is equal to x minus y. Here we have got, considering it as the 5th and the 6th equation, we have got these two simultaneous equations, and by solving these two simultaneous equations we can get the value of x and y. By any method we can solve these two simultaneous equations. We will solve here by consider equation 6th. 1 plus y is equal to x. We will put this value of x in this 5th equation. Put the value of x in equation 5th. That is 5 is equal to, the value of x will be 1 plus y. 1 plus y plus y. That is 5 is equal to 1 plus 2y. I will write here 5 is equal to, that is 5 minus 1 is equal to 2y. 5 minus 1 is 4 by 2 which is equal to y. That is y is equal to 2. The value of y we have got it as a 2. We got the value of y as 2. Now put this value in equation 5th. What is the 5th equation? X plus y is equal to 5. The value of x, we have to find x plus the value of y is 2 is equal to 5. That is x is equal to 5 minus 2. X is equal to 3. we have solved this the simultaneous equation of the such form: 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y is equal to 4, and 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y is equal to minus 2. To verify our answer is correct or not, that is the value of x we have got as 3 and the value of y we have got as a 2, we can put in this equation and we can verify that LHS will be equal to RHS. In this way we can confirm our answer.